I am not a lawyer, and nothing in this video or series constitutes legal advice. The information I provide is for general understanding and discussion only. Always consult a qualified attorney for guidance specific to your situation. Hi, this is Michelle from LMA, and this is video 5 of our series on the DTC Ban Deep Dive. On September 9th, 2025, Donald Trump signed a presidential memorandum to address misleading DTC prescription drug ads. The memorandum directs the Secretary of Health and Human Services and the FDA Commission to 1. Ensure that DTC prescription drug ads are transparent and accurate, especially by increasing how much risk information, including side effects and contraindications, is disclosed. 2. Enforce existing FDA laws and regulations that require drug advertising to be truthful, not misleading, and to present a fair balance of benefits versus risks. The administration also announced plans to send about 100 cease and desist letters and thousands of warning letters to pharmaceutical advertisers suspected of violating ad rules, especially in digital and social media spaces. A significant policy focus is to close the adequate provisions loophole, a 1997 provision that allows broadcast ads to provide a major risk statement and direct consumers elsewhere for full safety info, so that advertising must more fully include risk disclosures. The mandate emphasizes that the current rules have allowed ads to omit key information over time, and the administration wants to return to stricter disclosure standards. The mandate has limited power. It does not ban DTC ads outright. It builds upon existing legal requirements. It does not replace them. It doesn't itself create new enforceable rights, i.e., it states that, quote, it is not intended to create any right or benefit enforceable at law. Much of the change would rely on rulemaking within FDA HHS to adjust or tighten regulatory standards, especially around disclosure and the, quote, adequate provision concept. Increasing enforcement of existing laws over DTC advertising can force pharmaceutical companies to change how they run these ads. Yet the fact that enforcement must be stepped up suggests that many past ads have skirted or weakly complied with those laws. In other words, if the laws were being rigorously enforced already, there'd be less need for a new crackdown. So the push implies that some advertisers have pushed the boundaries of fair balance, disclosure, or non-misleading presentation without being held fully accountable. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Head over to video 6, where we look at the likely legal challenges.